Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Today I'm going to showcase how to make these super large, I want to say altered paper clips. They still work as paper clips and also work as a bookmark as well. I made some dangles, I made some angels and some different embellishments there. I made only two because I just wanted to showcase two different colors, but you can make this black and white, pick a metallic color, you can do what you want. These are 4 inches paper clips. I got this from Amazon, but you can buy them in different size, etc. Right, keep watching and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, so let me show you what I made so far. And the reason why I didn't film it is because for you guys it would be an absolutely nightmare to watch. I am very clumsy and I have big hands, so I'm not very my hands have not been designed to do jewelry or anything like a small project because I simply am too clumsy to do it. But I've got I bought this in bulk. I can't remember where from, online, these little containers where I put all my jewelries and danglings and things to make these sort of projects. So I've got tons of different things from different suppliers. I've got pearls, silver embellishment. Some of these are Christmassy, some are not. Oops, why are you not closing? You see, this is what I mean, and I can't even close the box. Okay. Then I've got in this box here, and I'm so mad because I don't have many left, but these wings here, it's what I use to make my angels, and I'm gonna show you them in just a minute. And I got some rings. These are made a couple of years ago. I think if you search on my channel, Antonio Makes Paper Beads, we made so many. I love making paper beads. I only got like 3 left. I've got some pearls, some little glass. Oh, I can't, the tiny, you probably don't even see it. But anyway, so we've got all my bits and pieces. On here, I've got all my metal nails that I use to make the body of my angels. On here I've got some buttons, which I was debating to you if using them or not. I'm gonna leave them in here for a minute because we might do. On here I've got 2 of my fairies left. That's that. They're naughty fairies because they're naked. They've got no bras on. But I had loads of them, so I only got 2 left. Yeah, the naked naughty fairies. I only got 2 left, but am I gonna do a fairies journal? So I'm keeping this 2 for that. In fact, I'm going to put them in here so I don't lose them. And then basically those bubbles here, I only got a few left. These were, when we were little in Italy, we used to have bracelets, bubble gums. They were full of sugar. I can't even imagine how bad they were for us. But we used to eat them in different colors and different flavors. So this is what they remind me of. But they're basically like big plastic bead. And they got this 4 marble decoration, like detail on it, and I had different colors, so today I only picked a few. So what I'm doing, I think I need my, yeah, I'll come back to that in a minute. So I made 2 angels, 1 in blue and 1 in purple, simply using the bow, the wings, 1 of the pearls, and then I just put a little ring loop in there, so it's 2. This I don't even know what it is. I just wanted to use up what I had, so it's just an organic shape. There is a little ankle there. I just use like black and black beads. Then I got a star, another, I don't know what it is, shape, and I had a silver leaf, and I simply used some black, red and pink glass beads. And this is the last one. Oh, the leaf is gone. Hold on a minute, let me rescue the leaf if I can. Oh, yeah, this is going to be very painful for you to watch, but you just need to bear with me, because if I don't do it now, it's never going to happen. So just need to close that. Perfect, that should stay closed. Okay, so what I wanted to do, and hence why I made a purple and a blue angel. I got these large paper clips. I can't remember where from. I think it was Amazon. Super large paper clips. Yeah, Amazon. They are 10 centimeters, so it's like 4 inches. What's gonna say to you guys? I can't remember. So if you, oh, that's what I was saying. So if you like things that match, feel free to use similar color combination. If you like things that don't match, use different colors. Basically. So I've got here, this is my Shabby Romance digital papers. I just want to pick something to wrap my paper clip. I think I'm gonna go for that. I don't know how long it's gonna be. Let's have a look. Oh, I do like that. I don't know if it's gonna be thick enough. I'm not sure. Sorry guys, I should have prepared this bit, but I didn't. I think I'm gonna go back to the butterfly. Yeah, so yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to, I love these digital papers. I literally just print them because I ran out of them. I normally print off one of my papers, digital papers, and I keep them in a plastic wallet, and I didn't have this, so I thought I printed it and I wanted to show you guys, and I wanted to do this project, so I thought let's use this paper today. Yeah, it's called Shabby Romance. It's large, it's got loads and loads and loads of papers. Background, oh, I like this page. I like that. Yeah, sorry butterfly, I'm going to go for these instead. So basically what you simply do to decorate these paper clips, you will, shall we do this in blue? Yeah, let's do this in blue because it's blue in there, and just do this in pink. So I'm gonna start with that. So what you guys do, simply you wrap them around, you wrap it around. So I'm not going to measure anything, I'm just simply going to score it with a pen. There. So I think I'm going to do there and there. Just gonna get trimmed out for just 1 second. So that should do. Roughly a little bit more. Okay. I'm gonna do one with you, and I'm gonna do the rest off camera, because otherwise we'll be here till tomorrow. So I think I'm going to use, yeah, I want to see this beautiful lady. Yeah, about that. So what I'm going to do, guys, I just simply trim a little bit and do the same on the other side, and then trim that. Keep hold of it because all scraps are good. And I'm just going to put some double side tape. One and two. So that's that. I'll peel these off, and then so press it down and press that down. Okay, so we got the front roll paper clip. Okay, and then we're now going to put the decoration on the bottom. This is a cute way if you have lots of paper clips, or if you need some paper clips for your journals, to make a mass make, to do like a mass make session. Okay. I think I'm gonna go with the star. And I think I'm going to go with this red shape here I made earlier. Okay, once they're close, press it down and job done. This is a cute way to make. So if I got a page or something, yeah, I got this one there. So this is a cute way to make paper clips. They will stand up. It works as a good bookmark, and then you've left the dangling embellishment there as well. Okay, so I'm gonna do the blue one, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I made the one in blue. I mean, you can go absolutely mental. This is what it looks like. I think it's really, really pretty. You can go very heavy on the decoration. You can hang as many things as you want, or you can hang as little as you want. I gave you two ideas, again, with different colors. Okay, right, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. I'm really, really interested to see if you make them. Please share them on my Facebook group as well. My Facebook group is a group that I got, of course, on Facebook, when you can find my freebies and other creators that showcase their work as well as mine. So it's a very interactive platform. So if you do make, please join me over there as well. Guys, big thumbs up if you like this video. It's really helped me with my journey on YouTube, because you tell in YouTube that you like what I make. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.